right, North American, we're out here in Massachusetts at an undisclosed location, and we've just installed this Universalift 8000 XLT. She went together beautiful, and for a piece of industrial equipment, these things look pretty neat. That's something you'll notice. And our new heavy-duty jack, we put a 3,500 pound rating on it while it's on the lift, but if you put that thing on the floor, it'll probably lift 8,000 pounds. 110 volt, 3 horsepower. Customer had the garage door modified by raising the tracks. As you can see, he's lucky he's got about a 12-foot ceiling in here. So this is a happy Hump Day Wednesday. Thank you for tuning in. If you need a lift, call Christy and she'll get you on the roster. And there's the new guy Randy out there tying some stuff down. He's been driving me nuts all day. He did good, Randy.